a story about compassion, trust, and positive thinking. Hey, thoughtful learners! Welcome back to EduSpark English. Today's story is about a kind young man, a surprising twist, and a lesson that shows us how to look at things differently, even when we get fooled. Let's dive into A Kind Heart Wins, a touching tale that reminds us why kindness always matters, even when things don't go as planned. Let's learn some useful words. Competition, noun, a contest where people try to win. He won a big competition and received prize money. Prize, noun, something you get for winning. The prize was a large amount of money. Sympathetic, adjective, feeling care and concern for others. He felt sympathetic to the woman's story. Swindler, noun, someone who cheats others to get money. The woman turned out to be a swindler. Relieved, adjective, feeling happy that something bad didn't happen. He was relieved that no child was actually sick. Before watching, think and talk. You should say, have you ever helped someone who wasn't telling the truth? Would you be angry or calm in this situation? Why? Is helping others still good, even if they lie to you? Listening tips before you watch. To help you understand the story better, look for keywords. Listen for important words like prize, kindness, or swindler. Focus on feelings. Notice how the characters feel, happy, sad, surprised, or calm. Guess the message. Think about what the story is trying to teach. Don't worry about every word. Just listen for the big idea. Let's watch the story titled A Kind Heart Wins together. A young man won a big competition. He was proud and happy to receive a large prize. As he was walking out, a woman ran up to him. "My child is very sick," she said. "Please, I need help with hospital bills." Touched by her story, the young man gave her all his prize money. Later, he found out the truth. The woman was a swindler. She had no sick child. People expected him to be angry or sad. But he simply smiled and said, "I'm glad to hear that no child is actually sick." Check your understanding. Choose the correct answer. 1. What did the young man win? A job, B, a trip, C, a competition, D, a scholarship. Why did he give away his money? A. He wanted attention. B. He felt sympathetic. C. He knew the woman. D. He didn't need it. 3. What did the woman really want? A. Help for her child. B. To return the prize. C. To cheat him. D. To thank him for. How did the young man react when he learned the truth? A. He was angry. B. He cried. C. He laughed. D. He was relieved. 5. What is the lesson of this story? A. Always say no. B. Never trust people. C. Kindness matters more than outcome. D. Money is more important than people. Let's speak. Talk about a time when you showed kindness, even if things didn't go as expected. You should say what kind action you did, whether the person thanked you or not, if the person was honest with you, how you felt afterward, what lesson you learned about kindness. Let's write. Write about a time when you helped someone, even if you weren't sure they were honest. Your essay should include what the situation was, how you felt when helping, what you found out later, what you learned from the experience. Final thought. Sometimes your kind act is more important than the result. Even if someone lies to you, your heart still tells the truth. Remember, kindness is never wasted. Want more powerful life lessons in English? Follow or subscribe to EduSpark English YouTube.com @EduSparkEnglish, like and comment. Share with friends.